Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn about another open system device called mixing chamber. So in this mixing chamber there are a section where the mixing process takes place. That section is commonly known as mixing chamber. The mixing chamber does not have to be a distinct chamber. An ordinary T elbow or a Y elbow in a shower, for example, serve as a mixing chamber. This is commonly shown in the shower when we take a bath. Now, so there is a question that two steady flow of air, two steady flows of air enter a control volume. So there is a control volume. So there is a control volume. If you write like that, there is a control volume. This is a control volume and two steady flow of air. That means there is a two flow, one and second, two flow of air, one and there is a two, and this is your mixing chamber, right? This is your mixing chamber. Mixing chamber. Okay, this is your mixing chamber. Shows in a figure. One is 0.025 kg per second, flow at 350 kilopascal and 150 degree centigrade at stage 1. This is your stage 1, and other is enters 450 kilopascal 15 degree centigrade and at stage 2, right? Both flow with a low velocity. Both will flow at a very low velocity. That means inlet kinetic energy will neglect. A single flow of air is exit, and it is exit with a single inlet exit. There is a single exit which is 3. This is single exit at 100 kilopascal and minus 40 degree centigrade at stage 3. The control volume reject 1 kilowatt heat. That means this control volume reject heat. So this is reject heat. What is the rejection of heat? 1 kilowatt heat to the surrounding and produce 1 kilowatt of power. That means it produce power 1 kilowatt. 4 kilowatt power produce 4 kilowatt. Neglect the change in kinetic energy and determine the mass flow rate at stage 2. That is, what is the mass flow rate at stage 2? So see, what is the stage 1? What is the stage 1? Stage 1 is 0.025 kg per second, and how much temperature? How much temperature? It is 150 degree centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade, and how much pressure? 350 kilopascal, right? So it is stage 1. And what is the stage 2? Stage 2 is 450 kilopascal, 450 kilopascal, and what is the temperature? 5 degrees centigrade, right? And stage 3, after exit, it is 100 kilopascal, and what is the temperature? Minus 40 degree centigrade. So this is given, and also the heat rejection is given minus 1 kilowatt, and also work will develop to the system. What is that? 4 kilowatt, right? 4 kilowatt. So this all data is given according to the question. So what is the mass balance? So first, mass balance. Mass balance. What is the mass balance? M1 plus M2 is equal to M3, right? And what is the first law of TD? Which process? Steady state, steady flow process. What is that? This is your heat transfer plus summation of Mi Hi plus Vi square by 2 plus Gzi. What is that? Work output outlet plus summation of Me exit He plus Vi square by 2 plus Za, right? So for that there is no any change in kinetic energy, there is no any change in kinetic energy, no any change in potential energy, so these are neglected. So what is that? Q dot plus inlet 1 H1 plus M dot 2 H2 is equal to, what is that? W dot plus, what is M? This is exit at one section, so this is nothing, this is your M dot exit. So what is the M dot exit? M1 plus M2 put here into HA. So this is your required equation. Now if you put that, Q, rearrange the value, plus M1 dot H1 minus H3 to M2 dot H3 minus H2 plus W dot. Okay, so put the value of Q dot, this is your minus 1 plus, what is the M1? 0.025 H1 minus S3. This value will require M2 dot H3 minus S2 plus, this is given 4 kilowatt. So now what is the H1 minus H2, right? Cp T1 minus T3, and here Cp T3 minus T2. So if we write and put all the value, T1 is given, T3 is given, T2 is given, then we finally come out that what is the mass flow rate at exit. So mass flow rate at state 2, this is your 0.0042 kg per second. This is your mass flow rate. So this is nothing, this is simply application of first law of thermodynamics for a mixing chamber, so nothing else. Okay, temperature is given, this is your T1, this is your T2, and this is your T3. Work is given, so all the value is given, so don't bother about that. This is simple calculation. Thank you very much.